am Natalia Rosales. I disagree with the Professor Daniel when he says that students do not have different styles of learning, and if the teacher is a good educator, students will learn. It does not matter the method. For me, if the teacher uses an adequate way to teach students, they could understand better. According to Matthew Frawley from the University of New South, in terms of individually learning style is the way the student perceives and processes the information, different of the viewpoint of the Professor Daniel. According to the video, the way those students organize the information and the way that they think about it matters and helps to understand easily and better that those ways of learning and assimilation of the knowledge are not styles of learning for the professor. For him, students learn better in different ways, and they are visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Something that is found with the professor is that people do not learn visually and auditory. The thing is that the voice is particularly for those students with a auditory system, and the most important, and for visual impacts, the particularities of the images and the slides. For me, finally, the special thing is the system is not meaning as the teacher needs to teach only to the students in the style that he or she is better. The problem is that the student who are in a specific style learns better in that way, but it does not mean that he or she only learns in auditory activities or visual ones.